The freezing today, so wake up probably like 5 o'clock, and then just chilling, and then just come to the work at 7 o'clock. Australia's pretty cold, and now it's just got to finish that the Polo GTI 7-speed. It's the built in 2012, but the OCW, the gearbox in there, so just gonna check the manual. It's just gotta check the manual, and then I have to calculate K1 and K2, but I've done so many times, so just gotta paint. Yeah, it's a bit of a messy, but I clean up during the weekend. So if I have time. I love car, and I love Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche. Try to fix it, but also I love my wife, so yep. So you can see it. Yeah, it's got a shim clutch 1, K1, clutch 2. So it's just gonna check the measurement. So after the measurement, I'm gonna measure it anyway.